In this video, you'll learn how to send an offer to a buyer on eBay. This process can help you engage interested buyers and potentially increase your sales. Start by logging into your eBay seller account using your username and password. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your seller dashboard or seller hub. From this main screen, locate the section that displays your active listings. This area shows all items currently available for sale. Look specifically for listings that have watchers or interested buyers, as these items typically allow sellers to send special offers. Select the listing you wish to send an offer for. Next, on the selected listing page, look for the option labeled Send Offer to Buyers. This button is usually prominently displayed. Click this button to begin the process of creating your offer. You will then be prompted to enter the discounted price you want to propose to interested buyers. It is advisable to consider a price that is appealing, yet still maintains your profit margin. Additionally, you have the option to include a short message to encourage the buyer to make a purchase. Carefully review the offer details to ensure everything is accurate before you proceed. Once you're satisfied with the offer details, you can move forward by clicking the Send button. At this point, eBay will automatically distribute the offer to eligible buyers who are watching your item. Buyers will then receive a notification about the special offer you have sent. They will have the opportunity to accept, decline, or ignore the offer within a specified time frame. It is important to note that if the buyer accepts the offer, the purchase process will begin immediately. After the buyer accepts your offer, you will receive a confirmation notification indicating that the item has been sold. This feature of sending offers is a strategic way to encourage sales on eBay, as it directly engages buyers who have shown interest in your items. Keep in mind that the effectiveness of your offer may depend on your pricing strategy and the attractiveness of your message. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.